Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe. Give me a really good all day long. So I want to do a full face of Juvia's place. I'm sorry, I filming content basically all day. I've been wiping my face with white. Hold on right quick. Okay, so like I said, I want to do a full face of Juvia's place. I wanted to try this look. Megan Thee Stallion had this look on. I want to try it. You think I can do it? We'll see. Yeah, I haven't done eyeshadow in so long. I think I'm going to do the eyeshadow first. And then I'm going to do... I keep looking down because I'm looking at the picture, hoping I'm getting this. I think I brought my lid, this part up too high. Hers stop at her arch. Okay, so I'm getting a little discouraged with my eyes because I feel like it's not coming out like hers. So I'm gonna move on to my face. This will be my first full time using I Am Magic Radiant foundation. It does have a scent to it.
think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you
I don't know if it's not blended or what. What's the difference? Like, why is it not looking so good?
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you said to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in images on replay. Right next to you, you. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. Don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you, you. I wanna kiss you, yeah. I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Okay, so while my lash is drying, I'm gonna put some more. Damn. Let me see. I gotta put this one on. Hold on. Okay, so this is not Juvia's Place though. Okay, so here I am so far. Now I have these blush, the bronzer and blush duo. I believe they came out with a, what is that called? A liquid blush. I don't think she have blush on. It doesn't really look like she have blush on. Yeah, her bronzer look blurred out. Okay, so this is the finishing look. It came out a lot better than what I was thinking. I'm telling y'all to trust the process. I need to trust the process. But this is the finishing look. My lip liner, Cola, and Lady for the lips, and a lip gloss. So I got to go. I don't want to be late picking up my baby. So I'll talk to you guys later. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these type of videos. I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and everything else. Talk to you guys later.